Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert purchase to installment Eastwest credit card. So first one, you have to Eastwest credit card convert installment, and then do straight or retail transactions may include local and foreign retail purchases. So the minimum amount eligible for conversion to installment is Philippines 5,000. For qualified cardholders may apply for CTY. Okay, you can go via ESTA or through Eastway by downloading the app on the App Store or Google Play. CTI applications are subject to evaluation and approval, and then CTI applications are based on cardholders' instructions. Okay, so seven cardholder must allows at least 5 banking days to process an application. And number 8, upon approval of CTA application. Number 9, a processing fee will be charged for each approval application. Number 10, Eastwest has sole discretion to approve or reject the cardholder. So, application as of such application is denied, Eastwest has no obligation to furnish. Okay, should be cardholder Eastwest credit card account to be suspended, cancel, or not renew, or should the cardholder fail to make payments, breach for violation terms or no conditions. Okay. Number 12, in case the partial payment by cardholder of installment amount on the pay balance shall incur initial interest, charge, impulse, and revolving. If the cardholder pays installment amount in full per month but has no standing or revolving balance. Number 4, any on all interest charges are not really imposed upon the cardholder total outstanding balance. And number 15, in case of pre-termination, the cardholder agrees to pay installment pre-termination process fee equivalent to 5% of remaining principal balance. Okay, so number 16, the cardholder may cancel the pre-termination CTI application without being charged and install a pre-termination process. And number 17, the last one, is a cardholder shall continue to be bound by comply by the terms and conditions governing the insurance on use the Eastwest credit cards, which are incorporated herein by reference of which she was furnished copies Eastwest as well as terms and conditions of the CTI facility. So guys, that's the way to compare purchase to installment Eastwest. You have to be clear about terminal and conditions, because if you're not, well, you can see that there are charges for some points here, so please be clear about that. So I hope this information helps you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.